let's set these.
Cut this and make a bigger ground, something newer.
Yeah,
outside
like
of
a
it.
hub for it, right?
Yeah, because there've been some of these wires. See, these are all body grounds, and they all run here. And then from here, they split a whole bunch of grounds, which I removed, that come to this unit here, this SRS module. But then this one's an extra. This one we have to add this one back up. But yeah, we're gonna have to do something about this.
You want some tape? You want some?
Well, yeah, es que no quiero que se pierda, so let's keep him here. And then this guy. This is not part of it. This guy here. See, these wires all come back this way. One goes here.
I swear I thought I had some scissors down here.
Electric, you have to get a degree on it. Like,
There you
when
go.
you go to the school where I went, that's
Down there.
you have to get a whole separate. You got to go through Ford training
The blue oval
to get
train.
this degree.
Alright.
Because they're wiring, they're one of the better electric fucking like schematic people. And anything with electrical on the Ford side, they pride in that. And when I was going to school, that was like a big thing. Oh, the Ford program. You go through the Ford program, and then they're like, their electrical side is the hardest part of it. And I mean, look at this. This is what, 1990?
3.
Okay, 93, and
Tons of wires.
this is the full body.
This is the full wire
I mean, it's
harness.
kind of tiny. Really.
Yeah, this is the engine harness. So this is definitely, we're not going to use any of this because the control pad. This one we will use. I think it's for the windows. So that one will stay there. This looks like it's to the gas, but we have a wire running from the cruise control into the gas connector over here, which is this guy right here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and clip them down here.
It's based off the speed.
Right, and then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna clip them here. I'm just gonna put down cruise control module right here on a piece of tape, so at least I remember. So I don't.
That is the whole cruise control.
Well, this is the cruise control module, and the other one goes to the actual engine side, which I don't have it, which is fine because we deleted that anyways. There's a new engine in there. So let's. All right. Hey everyone, this is Saul Castañeda and my brother Miguel, and we are MCSC Greenwheels, and we are doing this in a couple stages. This is kind of the mending of the power pack and the original wiring harness to our 1993 Ford Foxbody GT. We've been looking around and kind of scouring the internet to see if anyone has done anything kind of like this. You know, and there's a lot of videos out there, and they do help, but it's not what we want to do. We try to keep this real simple. So what we're going to do, we're going to shave off a couple of these wires here and a couple of these modules that we don't need. For instance, the cruise control, the SRS. We're getting rid of that. We may be getting rid of some of the steering and for the cluster clocks, because we do have a Dakota Digital. So bear with us, and we're gonna make this part 1. So let's see if we can get past it. We're gonna go ahead and remove our cruise control module, our SRS module, which is the blue box over here, and just try to get it as neat as we can and kind of keep these wires in check. Along with that, you're gonna see us delete along this. This is the engine harness, as you can tell, you know, so we're no longer going to need this. So this is all, we just want to make sure that whatever wire is going to come in that we're gonna use from our control pack. We can either go like make it look kind of stock into our fuse box, or just make it look neater than just lopping it off and leaving a little tail of wire somewhere in your dash. I just don't like it. It's all aesthetics to me. So sorry. So here we go. And we've been kind of digging through it now. So this is a brake one.
This one goes straight to the fuse.
That's mine, I think.
No, that's mine from this guy.
Oh, from that guy? Alright. I have a purple and white one too. This guy, right here. So that guy goes to the... So those two guys we can delete and either mark them.
Yeah, we should.
Because they're going to be hot.
We could use them as power
So,
for something else.
what's red, white?
SRS module.
See?
Do it tiny.
It's just take enough off so we can put them together. It's not as tiny as I wanted it, but whatever. There you go.
What, this one?
Yeah, I mean just
Well, because we might use them for the...
I know. So just tape them together. As long as we know which are which and where they went, we'll probably be able to. Where are those scissors at? There we go. I was chasing this green one right here. Oh, here it is.
This is only half of the module.
There's this connector right here. Okay. This green one goes all the way. It has another connector and two wires.
This one, right?
Red, green, and two solid greens, and two solid red greens. So one of them goes back to my cruise control. So I'm just gonna lop it off and
Where's the other one go?
tag it. What do you got?
We got. This is what has green here, man.
I have just a solid green.
Going to what?
That's going back to the cruise control over here.
Okay.
So there it goes. Got this one off.
And I went to what harness?
This
That
one right
guy?
here.
Oh, okay.
So I'll tag on cruise control.
That goes right back to another harness. That other green one. Right?
Yeah. Sounds about right.
So it goes to here.
We're gonna go ahead and do that to it. Alright, cruise control. We'll get back to that. Now I have pink and red, pink and black here, and they're all like melted. See, Ford would love to do this. I guess they all do. There you go, right here. So I'm gonna keep all this together. I'm just gonna take this off. Scissors. And I know one of these guys right here, this blue black. He's coming up here, so I'm assuming it's all the way into the harness to the steering for power too as well. So what I'm gonna do, let's see, where are you? This is it right here. I may have a couple harnesses here that don't belong, but this one, it's cruise control too, so I'm gonna kit it. And that's another one. And this guy, where are you running off to? Comes down in here. This guy's going to what I believe to be my fuel pump. believe this is my fuel pump harness. So cut him off. It's the gray and black. Gray with a black stripe. If I don't need it, I'll just get it off completely. And there. Alright. Let's, I'm not going to use this. My cruise control harness. Or my cruise control module. It's garbage. Alright, moving on. We're going to see if we can get that make another tag for that. Where's that other harness? Oh, this guy right here. Oh, okay, I got him. And the one from here.
With a couple different ones. And this is airbag?
The SRS is airbag, so there's one that's got to be one that's going to be coming into the steering column right here. Yeah.
So it depends probably on the sensors. 3 sensors coming in.
Yeah.
And then
There's probably one going to be
signal
coming
to
into
the box. And then there's a second signal to the box, which is this guy. So we won't follow this all the way through, only because it's being combined with multiple wires. So we'll stop right here. And that'll eliminate these two. SRS. Now we gotta follow these guys. Stupid, almost black and yellow, blue and white, yellow and orange. So this black and yellow comes back to this harness over here, which is right here.
Blue black. So I want to see what kind of connector they go to and if I need them. Blue, yellow. What do you got there?
Orange and white, and
There.
then blue and white.
So we're going to use, get some new tape, get some new wire loom, and redo all this. You know why? Because we can. I don't think I need any of this anyway, so anybody looking for this kind of harness, you can have it. Because I don't think I'm going to use any of it. We will be keeping the wipers.
Yeah, right here. Speed sensor? What the hell is this? Right?
It's for the engine, so it doesn't matter.
So
Where's it going to?
to the module.
Trans, maybe.
Yeah, like a speed sensor. Okay.
Cut it.
Cut it right there, because I don't know where this other wire goes to. So cut it right
Well, we're not going to use the trans anyways, so.
there.
But if it is, I got you. Go ahead.
If it comes back, cool, man. Cool, too. This Oh yeah, see? Cut it right here, so.
That one too?
Yeah, here's the other one. So
Oh,
it's a
so yeah.
It's probably a speed sensor.
You get that with it if you buy it.
And I got these purple ones. You were pulling that same harness earlier. And it was these two.
Oh, wait a minute. They had the two green ones on it, right?
I don't. So you were these two. Yeah, right here.
These two purple ones, huh?
Yep.
Alright, I'm gonna clip them right there. Well, no, that's SRS. If we need to eliminate it, we will. Alright. Oh, what else you got? Oh, you got the orange one.
Click the wrong purple one.
That's purple, orange. Alright, no problem.
What's that other purple one?
We'll figure it out when we get to that.
Ahí está. Ese y este. Y este, right? The bigger one. It's the thicker one. Alright. So where does this go? We'll just follow this guy. One to the eight.
Goes all the way across that way.
Ooh, I just lost him. Yeah. Two-way connected.
Alright, we'll have to figure out where that one goes to. Probably just start taking that.
Amárralo junto. Just put them together.
These two at least.
So the SRS.
So our SRS and our...
Anybody that's interested in buying this somewhat brand new.
Vintage.
Yeah.
You gotta use the word vintage.
Okay. Vintage. Cut, retake. Vintage SRS 93.
93.
Foxbody.
It's an heirloom. Alright. So,
Harness, SRS module.
with that.
/ brand new.
Alright.
Vintage.
Alright. So, for today, we removed those two modules. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna get up for the next video where we're gonna start taking apart more of the engine harness modules once we figure out which one those are. We kind of got some of the things labeled out that we're gonna keep and some of the things that we're not. So we gotta pretty much make a list and see what connectors are for our wipers, because we're gonna keep those, and we're gonna delete pretty much anything going into the engine. So I mean, we have a harness that's going into it, but
Most
we
important
definitely
is whatever is coming back to the fuse box.
to the fuse box, right? So whatever we can get and use from the fuse box will be great for later. So, thanks for watching, guys. Hey, next video, actually subscribe. Next two videos. See you guys soon. Thank you. That's from both of us here at the basement.
At what is it? FT basement.
Yeah.
FT body and basement.
Yeah.